In the next 2 minutes, I will show you how to grow microgreens easily from home. And with that,
show you how to get started with Eat Your Microgreens Home Grow Modular Kit. First, fill up your base with water, almost to the brim. And then you're going to grab your seed tray with your pre-cut hemp mat. This is going to be healthy mix. And you're going to place it on top of your base. Just make sure you submerge your hemp mat into the water. So you want to make sure here you're pressing on the corners. If you don't get enough water, just add some more water until you get enough to cover those edges to ensure they're submerged. The whole hemp mat has to be submerged, so those seeds don't need to be sprayed with any water because you're going to have enough. Of course, you're going to drain the excess in a bit, but most importantly is to cover those edges to ensure the whole mat as even as possible is submerged in water. So yeah, just try to flatten it out a little bit more. You'll see also the color changes, telling you that the whole mat is wet. That's enough, and then you can drain easily all this excess water. You want to leave a little bit, about 2-3 cups, and then just press to make sure it's not too much water. And you're gonna measure your seeds and spread them either with your fingers or just sprinkle them with a bowl, perhaps a spice shaker that you have, and just make sure there are no clumps. So if there are, just use your fingers, spread them throughout your damp hemp mat, and this is how it should look. So after that, you're going to place your cover. It's a perfectly fitted cover that comes with the kit for 2 to 3 days in a warm place. And as you can see, they are germinating after 3 days. The cover has ensured the right conditions, the right temperature and humidity for an even germination of the healthy microgreens. They are ready to go under lights now, or in this case, my windowsill. And this is how it looks after 5 days.